Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix invalid email address in Crunchyroll. First, carefully check the email you entered. Make sure there are no space. The email includes @gmail.com or @yahoo.com or another valid domain. There are no spelling mistakes. Correct this along. Fix the problem most of the time. Sometimes autofill enters the incorrect Gmail. Delete the Gmail field completely. Turn off autofill or suggestions. Then type your Gmail manually. After that, try again. If the error still appears, try using another valid Gmail address. Some temporary or disabled Gmail are blocked by Crunchyroll. Using a Gmail or Outlook email work best. You can also close Crunchyroll completely, reopen it and try again. If you are using a browser, clear your browser cache, reload the Crunchyroll website and re-enter your email. After that, go to the App Store and make sure Crunchyroll is fully updated. If you are on computer, update your browser as well. Outdated version can cause email validation error. If you are using VPN or ad blocker, turn it off. This can interfere with Crunchyroll sign-up system and cause the invalid error. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.